nyika yese ichapisika payonzwa kuti the 25 councillors from Bulawayo they had to be sent to South Africa. Panguva ino kuri kuonekwa kunzi vanhu vari vachikombelana vachiti why are they being sent to South Africa. Panguva ino inoonekwa kunzi there is a massive water crisis muguta reBulawayo. Vanhu vanouya vachitoti instead yekuti vanoholda meetings aiwa vachinotravela vachiburitsa mari, why can't they hold magoogle or online Zoom meetings. Sana pina mashoko abudanyirwa panapa, subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mzimu abudanyirwa chiti. In an era of digital transformation, public institutions must prioritize cost efficiency, transparency, and the responsiveness to citizens' needs. One major opportunity lies in adopting video conferencing technologies such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet for attending international meetings and engagements. Key benefits: cost saving, efficiency, accessibility, environmental impact, public trust, technological readiness. Leaked internal communications show that even within the council, the trip is causing bitter divisions. Mayor Cotat himself warned in a councillors' WhatsApp group chat that sending such a large group would appear exceptionally insensitive and irresponsible given the dire situation on the ground. He recommended a slimmed down team of no more than 8 people, mainly technical experts, if the trip was deemed absolutely necessary. Yet, despite these concerns, the council appears determined to push ahead with what many are calling an unnecessary junket. However, with the trust in the local authorities at an all-time low, many see the South Africa trip as yet another example of misplaced priorities, poor judgment, and tone-deaf leadership. Thomas Komblani panapa nachikondema aiwa the leadership iri kuonekwa kunzi irikuda kuenda ku South Africa aiwa panguva ino iri kuonekwa kunzi people that are struggling aiwa muguta reBulawayo panapa the mayor ati andombova advisa kuti aiwa ngangoende kana vanhu 8 kana zvinge zvanetsa but just attend through a Google Meet kana Zoom aiwa zvinenge zviri nani. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Nakume section medu musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.